Ciao a tutti! Welcome to another mini vlog. Today, I am gonna share with you 3 things you need to know before marrying an Italian man. Number 1. They love to eat and critics food. Their passion for food is exceptional. If you are interested to marry an Italian, you should also be prepared to learn cooking, especially the Italian food. Literally, bagay sa kanila ang kasabihang the way to a man's heart is through to his stomach. Number 2, like us Filipinos, they are also family-oriented. Family is incredibly important to Italians, and the bond between children and their moms is especially strong. Kaya nga siguro napagkakamalan silang mama's boy pag minsan. Number 3, hindi ko masasabing kuripot sila. Maybe the proper word to describe is marunong silang humawak ng pera nila. Hindi sila basta-basta naglulustay ng pera. Napakasimple nilang manamit, pero pag tiningnan mo bank account ng mga yan, mahihiya ka at ikaw ay nagsusuot ng mamahaling luxury brands pero walang laman ng bangko mo. Hindi uso ang credit card, cash or debit palagi mga yan. At sa oras ng kagipitan, maaasahan mo sila. And that's all for our mini vlog. See you on my next video. Ciao!